slippery shit. Beautiful day. Beautiful day. Fuck, this ballet fucking splits. What a beautiful fucking day. I haven't been down this one. That's too steep. This is what I mean. Doesn't matter if you've got Muddy Marys when what you're dealing with is fucking rock. That's what you're dealing with. Muddy Marys on rock. And so I did a good stretch, almost landed on the horse shit. So my ass is a bit sore. Bike should be okay. Kind of just knew I had to slow down as much as possible because it's a new area, don't know what's around the corner, and it's all sliding. So a little bit of dust there. Wheel, steering wheel, looks pretty straight with the front wheel, and the power's on, 71 degrees. Done 7k's, from home about 8-9k. Okay, let's do it. 70 degrees and pump this fucking gears. Let's do it. Still slipping. Getting lots of help here. It's feeling really soft right now, I don't know why. This is steep fucking shit. Wouldn't want to go that way. Steep as a fucking judge's ass. Fuck, that's steep. Alright, don't want to slide out again. Keep the fucking nice manageable speed. Poor guy died today, sorry to hear. Sad for the mountain bikers and for everyone. I love the guy, so just taking it slowly because this shit slides. Never been there, I don't know where I am. Hard to do jumps on this shit. No, should we come down here? Well, just gonna heat up fast. Waste of fucking time coming down this one.